Today's tip of the day brought to you by the dollar store personal finance calendar. Squeezing dollars from tubes. Cut open empty tubes to get the last drops of toothpaste, face creams, ointments, sunscreens, etc. Often a week's worth of product is still inside. I've never actually cut one open before. I've seen people recommending this on YouTube and whatever. I'm more of the kind of person who just kind of uses my fingers to squeeze things up. But you know how those tubes are? They always have like the screw-on cap, and there's material in of the cream that gets in there, like the toothpaste, that just can't get out. So I guess if you cut it out, you could get more out of it. Although I've never done that. I, have you ever tried this? It seems like that might be a bit of overkill. Usually those tubes last months. So to get one extra week or a few extra days out of it, unless I don't have a backup and I just need, I don't have a backup toothpaste and I just need to brush my teeth, maybe I would do that. But otherwise, it seems like a little bit of overkill to me. I don't know. Have you tried this? Let me know.